Number 1.
1992 Mazda B2600, price $5,999, finished in a bright white exterior over a brown interior. Powered by a responsive 2.6L inline-4 SOHC gasoline engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, this vehicle currently shows 142,000 miles on the odometer. It holds a clean title, boasts a body completely free of damage, and delivers reliable road performance with all mechanical systems functioning as intended. The truck is remarkably neat and tidy both inside and out, featuring a clean, spotless bed that is ready for hauling or everyday cargo needs. To enhance the driving experience, the cabin has been thoughtfully updated with modern technology, including a touchscreen display with integrated Bluetooth and navigation, as well as a powerful 12-inch Rockford subwoofer for superior sound quality. Offering a rare mix of well-preserved original condition, manual driving engagement, and convenient modern upgrades, this Mazda B2600 stands as a practical and stylish choice for any truck enthusiast.
Number 2.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,999, powered by a dependable 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This vehicle currently shows 184,000 miles on the odometer. It features a bold black exterior over a well-maintained gray interior and holds a clean title backed by a clear Carfax report with 0 accidents or damage alongside 24 documented service history records. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives great, delivering a smooth ride supported by a set of matching Michelin tires that offer plenty of tread life. Designed for practical everyday use, the interior comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, a sliding rear window, and an upgraded aftermarket Bluetooth radio for convenient hands-free connectivity. Additionally, the utility bed comes protected by a fitted bed liner to prevent wear and tear during cargo transport.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F-150, price $7,988, equipped with capable 4-wheel drive, 4x4. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an engaging manual transmission, this classic truck currently shows 138,000 miles on the odometer. It features a bright white exterior matched with a practical gray interior, offering a compact body style paired with serious off-road and hauling capability. Built as a straightforward and reliable workhorse, the truck is ideal for work tasks, weekend projects, hunting trips, or everyday driving. Inside the cabin, it comes equipped with essential comfort features including a working radio and cold air conditioning for hot summer days. Clean, classic regular cab shortbed 4x4 configurations from this era do not come up for sale often, making this well-maintained F-150 an exceptional opportunity for anyone seeking a functional classic pickup with tremendous potential.
Number 4.
2003 Nissan Frontier, price $8,495. The truck is a beautiful V6 crew cab featuring a brown exterior over a comfortable tan interior. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an engaging transmission, this well-maintained truck shows exceptionally low mileage for its age, with only 93,000 miles on the odometer. It holds a clean title in hand, runs and drives great, and comes supported by extensive service records, including a documented timing belt replacement performed at 74,000 miles. The cabin comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, hot heating, and an upgraded Bluetooth head unit for modern wireless connectivity. On the outside, the Frontier features an aggressive, elevated stance thanks to a suspension lift wrapped in 31-inch tires, as well as a rare factory bed extender for added cargo capacity. Combining low original mileage, solid mechanical maintenance, and standout upgrades, this versatile crew cab offers a complete package for work or recreation.
Number 5.
2005 Ford Ranger, price $8,999, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Showing an exceptionally low 127,000 miles on the odometer, this single-owner vehicle boasts a clean Carfax history and features a clean white exterior offset by a sleek, well-preserved black interior. The vehicle has been remarkably well kept throughout its life, remaining completely rust-free from top to bottom. The truck rolls on a brand new set of tires for optimal traction and road safety. The rear bed is protected by a durable bed liner and topped with a heavy-duty commercial work canopy, offering secure, weatherproof storage for tools and equipment. For added towing capability and driver convenience, it comes equipped with a factory towing package alongside a modern backup camera to simplify hitching and maneuvering in tight spaces. Inside the cabin, occupants enjoy a comfortable ride complete with ice-cold air conditioning.
Number 6.
1984 Ford F-250, price $7,500, powered by a strong 351 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with a durable C6 automatic transmission. Showing 47,000 miles on the odometer, this vintage heavy-duty truck features a clean white exterior offset by a classic blue interior. The truck does have a few minor project areas that need addressing. It currently operates off its rear fuel tank, which can occasionally be slow to take fuel and likely needs a replacement breather tube as the front tank has been removed. Additionally, the dashboard cover needs to be resecured, the aftermarket radio requires proper wiring to operate correctly, and the driver's side LED taillight needs to be replaced due to a non-working running light.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, equipped with a massive 7.4L TBI, 454 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 164,000 miles on the odometer, this truck features a classic green exterior paired with a tan interior and has spent most of its life reliably hauling a camper. Mechanically, it runs and drives exceptionally well with no smoke, no fluid leaks, no warning lights on the dashboard, and a newly passed emissions test. The truck comes ready for work or towing, featuring brand new tires, a recently installed alternator, and a fresh oil change, while both the heater and air conditioning operate great.
Inside, the cabin remains in good overall condition, needing only a light wash for the seats and carpet to look its best. Externally, the body is completely rust-free with only minor dings and expected clear coat peeling on the hood and roof from age.
Number 8. 1982 Ford F-250, price $4,900, showcasing a bold and iconic red-on-red color combination that covers both the exterior body and the interior cabin. Powered by a potent 6.6L gasoline engine, this classic truck shows a remarkably low 25,000 miles on the odometer. Offered under stock number 26-0190 and identified by VIN 2FTHF25Z0CCA36207, the vehicle delivers a solid, engaging driving experience and runs exceptionally well with no mechanical issues holding it back. The truck maintains an impressive presentation, remaining remarkably clean inside and out, from its well-kept red interior upholstery to its pristine, spotless bed that is ready for immediate hauling duties or display. Combining a striking full red appearance, extremely low mileage, and a pristine body structure, this vintage F-250 stands as a standout choice for classic truck collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone needing a stylish and capable heavy-duty workhorse.
Number 9. 1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,800, featuring a matching blue exterior and blue interior.
Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck currently shows 289,000 miles on the odometer. Despite its higher mileage, the vehicle remains completely rust-free and has been consistently maintained with regular synthetic oil changes, newer Goodyear tires, fresh leaf springs, updated brakes, and a recently serviced radiator. The truck runs and drives well with cold air conditioning, working heat, an original Toyota bedliner, factory wheels, manuals, and 3 sets of keys included. While it shows normal age-related cosmetic wear such as a mismatched passenger seat, minor bed dents, and a small valve cover oil seep, it comes with a full set of uninstalled Moog suspension parts, control arms, rack bushings, camber bolts, to help the next owner refresh the ride, making it a solid and reliable truck.
Number 10.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, featuring a striking silver exterior paired with a comfortable gray interior. Powered by Chevrolet's legendary 5.7L V8 gasoline engine connected to an automatic transmission, this classic truck currently shows 269,000 miles on the odometer. The paint remains in excellent condition for its age, showcasing a sharp presentation that sets it apart from typical trucks of this era. Despite being involved in an accident in 2020 that has since been fully repaired, this Chevy continues to run reliably with plenty of life left to offer.